Hi, I'm Hank. I paraglide in the living and push cars to the limit. Well guys, today's the day we're actually gonna reveal our engine, and it's still here. So we're using this motorbike. Still need to take the engine out for the buggy that's sitting under here. So I guess we're gonna go ahead, strip everything, and get the vital parts, as this is probably the end of the life. Last time we're gonna see it like this. So let's go ahead. So there's this one bolt that's bothering us. To follow up to the other engine to like actually remove the engine, and that is this exhaust bolt here. We don't really have a Allen key that could fit all in there. We just have basic where is it? We have these basic tools for it. We have the Allen key, but it just too wide. So I guess we'll try and find what other things we can do, and then if not, we might call it a day and work on other things, and yeah, see what you can do. Well, we've just decided to remove the engine with the exhaust pipe. Just if it doesn't want to work with us, then why should we work with it? Simple like that. So let's go ahead and try this deadly move. Well guys, it's down. We removed the engine, and we actually managed to remove the exhaust that's over there. It's quite a painful process. We took several hours on it. We might just leave it here like this until maybe in the next video. Then we might actually either decide to go ahead, try and mess around with this dangerous spring and try and mount it there, or we mount the engine first and see how. Right guys, so after having a motorcycle on my leg and removing the engine, this is just amazing. It's coming to work. See here, the engine, we stored it there, and the buggy's still here. This very soon we're gonna have the engine on it and it's gonna drive, but we still have a million things to do. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.